This UAP technology, is there any reference to Egyptian hieroglyphs included in it? The reason I'm asking is about 4 years ago I conducted a small experiment. I'm a gold panner. I received gold through an experiment, and since then I can interpret cuneiform language and Egyptian hieroglyphs. It's very interesting because for what I'm reading, what they're talking about is our electromagnetic field and an electromagnetic attraction system for this planet. There seems to be a lot of knowledge about their construction system being silicon photonic, using the wavelengths or quarks from certain star constellations for fusion at the core of our planet.
That is the bomb drop of the afternoon, I have to say that.
But I can certainly interpret it. I certainly understand how they were getting their gold. More importantly, it was about stepping up the fields of our planet to create a living biosphere. And what we are living in is basically a planet that was converted from a mothership. I know how that sounds. I don't take drugs or anything like that, but it was disconnected because the fusion process ate up the core for the inside of the planet. I've made hydrogen cells and stuff like that. I've been into CNC, pneumatics, you name it, I've done it. And as a hobby gold panner, I get my gold from rich iron oxide deposits. And I fell along the course looking at where the Egyptians got their gold. I understand that through reading the language that the pyramids actually ran on steam, and the water went into the middle pyramid at Khafre and touched on the mantle, which created steam, and the condensation then allowed the electrical conduit to happen, the electrical conductivity for the height of the structure, through a primary coil above the subterranean, above the King's Chamber in Khufu, through a secondary coil in the Grand Gallery, and a tertiary coil that wraps around the inside of the pyramid structure. From the hieroglyphs and the cuneiform language, we actually came from a different solar system, and we came here using quantum tunneling, and it was the same system that used the false doorways. It's something to do with third law of electrodynamics and quantum.
So you're saying humans were brought to Earth? Is that what you're saying?
For what I can read from the structure, we were created here to fix this planet.